Pachamumu Sampa, our director.
Yeah, Semo.
Sampa.
Actors and actresses, hard-working staff, proud parents, distinguished guests, and most importantly, the brilliant. When I see A, no, boy, I'm a jackal.
Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone, so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy, enter way, a 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi enter way. Now, any just a woman say, and now hear me video. Say, your first time now download the Lemfi, go smartphone, so Lino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi so no rate no such all the other apps. Into my catch or so you see Lemfi they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money and that's what me send the bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make catch or a Polino. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi na you should never send this car. A bebo ye send the miso abwameno. Download the Lemfi or App Store and I say Play Store.
Pachamumu Sampa, our director. Prophet Stephen Adum Chedia. I Nana, I don't know.
Semo.
Sampa.
Miss Man goes to you do want to come up on the cheat of my man, my back, chinchina, bro. Cassis, I just you make my kind, my peg, my mark for other. Next time, ever do a bit too quiet. Okay. I don't know address ya. Emma, papa, Minuaman, Minuaman. When you go to be a Saturday, Master Daddy, Abattoir mediate. I'm an FFF. Now, Amphibian, Yana Yakuin, Miss Afesan, a baker say, as I say, oh, I don't know Kupon. Yanishamina. I feel one table from Monfan Chemin. Nene, my free chief woman, a cobra foom. I've been okay. Good afternoon, Chairman of this year's event, Mr. Kodofosu, CEO Semata, the youngest energetic Kan-Ebu Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amakwene, Ashanti Regional Minister, Director of Education, Dr. Williams, District Directors of Education, District Executive Officers, DC, Mr. Chum Belima, our special guest, esteemed actors and actresses, hard-working staff, proud parents, distinguished guests, and most importantly, the brilliant. When I see A, no, boy, I'm a jackal. Graduating class of 2025. It is incredible honor to stand before you today, not just as a director of this great institution, but as someone who once walked away from formal education. Yes, I dropped out of school, and yet here I am hosting and celebrating students annually. Life has funny Sorry, life has funny way of coming full circle, doesn't it? Today, I am challenged as the captain. Hey. Mina yetie we asansa gade sebutu. Today I am challenged as the captain of Burkina Faso, last African hero, Captain Ibrahim Traoré. His role as a leader has inspired me a lot. When I left school, many within my community called it a mistake. Some said it never succeeded without any education. But what they didn't understand was this: dropping out didn't mean I stopped learning. It means I choose different classroom. One of made of acting, dancing, and singing with accepted mentors and the rule. And if you were, I want romanticism dropping out. It is hard. For every success story, there are continuous struggles. But what got me here wasn't luck. It was It was curiosity, resilience, and the humanity to learn. Me pacho ye ya be sana mam e wo bia copy na makan won ti asa ye di. Humanity to learn from every foe. I have been called names, Mr. Chairman, during the annual day celebration at Bourne last year. I promised to put up a new structure for the play school, and this has been accomplished. Currently, the play school is in the school new annex. I want to reform my promise with the agenda of senior high school. It is my prayer and hope Great Minds has all running education programs and courses. And can't tell me. Education programs and courses set vocational and technical. Hey, that too. To my 2025 BEC graduates, today as you hold your creativity, remember, this isn't the end of learning, it is the beginning. The world will teach you in way no textbook can. You learn from. Hey, manager, failure. It is not the opposite of success. It is part of it. People, the janitors, parents, relatives, the CEO, the stranger of the bus, all have losses to share. And yourself, when you are forced to adapt, you all discover strangers you never knew existed. Hopefully, most of you will go to the university after senior high school. Some will start businesses. Others will take. Okay. Others will take path you can even imagine yet. And that's okay. Your work isn't different by a single title or degree. It is different by how you use your knowledge to lift others and choose purpose. So, 2025 badge, as you step forward, remember education isn't confined to those words. Whether you pursue a PhD, trade, or a dream that doesn't yet have a name, keep learning. Stay hungry, and if life throws you off the accepted path, don't fear sentence. The scenic route leads to the most breathtaking view. Congratulations, the world and Ghana is waiting for your brilliance. Go make us proud. Long live Wizzy Empire, long live great minds. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
for the president.
At least we are the attack robot. We are the attack robot.
Please do take your seats. Brothers, please, students, please take your seats. Please take your seats. And for the animal comment, you know what to say. And Matthew can TV you to second chance. Say Kutu. Lasting TV, our mother sponsor. Thank you.
Yeah, my brother's my idea.
The various form ministrations of KG to please come around to help us. Antiposture, please get us. Culture for me, Pachomo.
Asari Angel Sarafina. The title of her poem, My Name is Ghana. That's the title of her poem. Asari Angel.
Good day, everyone. I'm in the person of Asari Angel Sarafina. I'm here to recite a poem entitled, My Name is Ghana. The spirit of the nation is wailing, echoing from afar in the wilderness. Oh Ghana, oh Ghana, oh Ghana. My name is Ghana, the gateway to Africa. My people are suffering. I felt very sad when I saw my people, young, energetic, and courageous, set away on voyaging ships by wicked white men and migrant nations. But now, in the name of seeking greener pastures, my young men and women are sent as slaves to Qatar, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, in the name of seeking greener pastures. Greener pastures in white man's land, a land that has nothing but snow, unfriendly weather and racial segregation, compared to my land, your land, and our land. People are not living in Ghana today because of its attractiveness. They stay here because they have no place to call home. My name is Ghana. I cry not only for myself, but for my people. Where lies the wisdom of the nation and its leaders? If penniless and jobless graduates are paying utility bills, whilst ministers and government appointees salaries are exempted from paying similar bills. Where lies the wisdom of the nation and its leaders? Today, Ghana, my Ghana, your Ghana, and our Ghana. Ghana can be more likened to the most very common rice called to the meal. Highly voluminous in quantity, but light taste and quality. My name is Ghana. I have lost the taste my people enjoy. My name is Ghana. I'm a Ghana, Efo Ghana, Ni and Atia Ghana. is Ghana. Come one, come two to rescue me. My name is Ghana. Thank you.
Oh my God. Oh. Yeah, that's so calm. One of my calm. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, yes. Let me see what's it. Yeah, what's the way? Oh. Doctor, I can do Casalaway. Come see the grand hitter. I say, oh. I'm a party. What come? I said, Eddie, I'm oh. Because you pick up me as if hey, I don't want it deep. Ah. Let me see. What I could do as a Eddie Amano. Let me see. That's a very beautiful performance. So Lord, I need my plan. Ow. All from Captain Ibrahim Traore, the last African hero, Mr. President. This mind is a full activity. The criminal activity. Recognize the criminal activity.
You best friend. Friend, progress along. You better know one side, am I a? You must know that
Singers, Nanano, our director, members of staff, students body, ladies and gentlemen, as I stand before you today, I am filled with a mix of emotion, pride, gratitude, and a hint of sadness. As the outgoing protocol prefect, I have had the privilege of serving this remarkable institution, an institution that had been a home to us, and it's bittersweet to say goodbye to this home and go. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our noble director for his visionary leadership. He is a big inspiration to us all. Our noble manager, Mr. Gebo Akwasiname, for his decisions and for being the pillar of the school, and to the school administrator, teachers, and fellow prefects for their support and trust in me. It's been an honor to work alongside such dedicated individuals. To my fellow students, I'm proud of the resilience, creativity, and compassion you showed. Your achievements are a testament to your hard work and determination. Today, we celebrate not the achievements but also recognize the impact of quality education. It's not just about academics, it's about developing well-rounded individuals equipped to make a difference. To the graduating class, I offer my warmest congratulations. Your journey has just begun, and I have no doubt you will make your mark on the world. Congratulations, class of 2025. This is the end of the road for us. Farewell, our beloved school. Long live great minds. Long live the empire. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Excellency. As going Preparatory Board, Nami Oshrapa, Emo Eham, Nami Oshramo, all the best of luck in your next endeavor.
Okay. Okay. And Yedu Sono a modeling. T and
Yanko, DS3, and a Tuasono.
DS3 graduates
In their yellow palace. Oh my God.
This is beautiful. Very beautiful.
Young friend.
In fact, great minds is not full of creativity. Starting the generation. Very beautiful. Papa J to all.
Sing. Yes, I mean, it's now. Great Minds International School, Alpha.
You may be here at Parva, but Education School. Near me, we need to shop. Maybe fear remains. Business not pennies, and yes, a man baking. Yatsu said, or does any kind. Or does any kind say, we are that here, and Japan will free us in it. Child, I will ship baby. Like I said, only pants. Ye broke Obiabu, or does any kind say, we are in and Generous die on the property. Like I said, only pants ye broke Obiabu, or does any kind say, what is your and Generous die up.